Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage apps permissions on your TCL TV. So first of all, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. In settings, navigate to the apps menu, and in apps we have three different menus that are all responsible for app permissions. Basically, the first one is about apps permissions to use your device's hardware or info. So for example, here we have the phone permissions, location permissions, files and media, and SMS permissions. For example, let's open the location permissions, and here we have one application that is allowed to use our location. If you want to disallow this app use your location, just select it, select don't allow, and then it will move to not allowed menu. And of course, there are also the system applications that are using your permissions, and you cannot remove this permission from them. So if, for example, your Google Play Store can use your phone, though I'm not sure where phone is in this TV. You can also access other permissions by opening this menu, and here you can find permissions like contact, calendar, call logs. Once again, I have no idea what this means. Camera, the same thing. Physical activity and microphone. And in this special app access, you will also have basically permissions to perform actions, different actions on your TV. For example, energy optimization, usage access, display over other apps. I think this would be one of the most popular ones, since many apps do that. And you can find the list of your apps right here and see which one are allowed to do that, to do the specific action. And if you want to disallow some app doing that, you can just switch the toggle to the left next to it. So modifying system settings and turning the screen on. Now in security and restrictions, we have one option, unknown apps. This is very specific permission. Well, it's usually used by web browsers. So if you download and install some web browser, if you wanted to download some applications from the internet, then you're gonna have to give this browser this permission in this menu. And besides, you can also open the list of applications by selecting See All Apps in the Apps menu, and just select the application that you want to check the permissions for. Let me actually open the application that I checked before, and here you can find permissions at the very bottom of this Apps menu. And as you can see, it has it requests the permission to use files and media, so we can either allow it, allow using it, or and location. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.